This video is showing you how to teach your child to roll. You want to cross their upper leg across midline, lift their shoulder up, and get some trunk rotation and help encourage them to roll to their belly. From going from belly to back, you're going to tuck their shoulder under, lift their upper leg out, externally rotate it like so, and then you will get that trunk rotation and help them roll to their back. Here is a clip of me coaching a parent how to do this exact technique.
Can you show me how you're working with her right now to do rolling?
Well, is your ball? You want to get your ball? You got your feet? Oh, you got your feet. Oh, she's turning towards you.
So if you wanted to help her roll right now, what would you do?
Help her with her legs to kick this leg over.
Good.
And then hump her a little back. There you go. There you go, Mama.
Good job.
Did she get her arm out?
Nope.
No.
But she made it over her shoulder. That's good.
Put your arm out. There you go.
And then let's see, will she go back to her side or her back from this position?
She won't. I can do it, but
Now show me how you're helping her.
arms. And then go back over. There you go.
That was perfect. Good hand technique. So I love your technique. I think that what we can do when you want to help facilitate her roll and you want to try and help a little bit less but give her some assistance. I think you did perfect when she rolled back to her back because then she took over and finished it. Now when you get her to roll to her stomach, do what you did but kind of stop halfway through and try to get her to finish the roll.
Okay. Well, she's kind of on her side now.
Yeah. So maybe what you can do in this position, her bottom leg, if you could straighten it out and then hold her top leg that's closer to the ceiling down and kind of maybe pull it towards you a little bit. And you could even tickle her tummy a little bit. And if her arm is stuck, you may want to raise it, the bottom arm.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Oh, there you go. Laying down.
And since she's telling you like she may want to roll, why don't you help her a little bit? Oh, there we go. She did it.
Oh my goodness, you did it.
Call today to see if your child is eligible for a wellness session or a physical therapy evaluation.